Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss about the contouring motion commands. Now, the tool positions must be continuously controlled throughout the move. The tool is directed along two intersecting surfaces until it reaches the third surface, which is as shown in the following figures. There are three surfaces that have specific name in the APT program, which is nothing but a drive surface, part surface, and as well as the check surface. Drive surface is a surface that guides the side of the cutter. Part surface is the surface on which the bottom or the nose of the tool is guided. Check surface is the surface that stops the forward motion on the tool in the execution of the current command. One might say that the surface, either it may be a check surface or it has to be advanced of the tool. Depending upon the type of the cutter movement, these surfaces it should be defined. Now, in the schematic diagram, we can look into that. In that, the surface which is left side is called as the drive surface. The bottom one is called as the part surface, and the cutter which is moving and which is landing at the extreme point is nothing but the check surface. Even the check surface also, that depends upon the three types. Either it has to touch the check surface, or the center point should coincide the check surface, or it should move away from the check surface. These things that we will discuss in the further slides. There are several ways in which the check surface can be used or it can be defined. These determined by using any four APT modifier words in the descriptive data of the motion statements. The four modifier statements are to, on, past, and as well as tan to. To, on, and past, we know that tan to is nothing but tangent to. In this sketches, we can easily identify the cutter movement. The cutter in the first one, in the first A sketch, the cutter is moving with respect to the drive surface. That is nothing but a to statement. In the case of the B, the cutter is moving it, and with respect to the check surface, the center point is coinciding it, which is nothing but on. With respect to the C, which is the cutter has crossed the check surface and it has been landed, that is the past. But in the case of the A, the cutter is only touching it. But the main difference between to and as well as past is how the cutter is touching it. Either cutter is touching the right side portion, or it may be the left side portion. The stopping the location of the cutter plays a major role. The use of the APT modifiers words in the motion, like to, moves the tool into a initial contact with the check surface. On position of the tool centers on the check surface. The past moves the tool just beyond the check surface. In a motion statement, the part programmer must keep in mind the direction from which the tool is coming, in which is preceding the motion. The programmer must pretend to be riding on the top of the tool as if they are driving the vehicle. After the tool reaches the check surface in the preceding move, does the next move involves either it's a right turn or it may be a left turn, or what to do it. These things, it should be a basic parameters that the programmer has to keep in mind while doing the program. The answer to this question is determined by only the following 6 motions of word, whose interpretations are illustrated by the following figure. Now here the 6 words what we have discussed in the previous slides is nothing but go up, go down, go left, go right, go top, go back, and as well as go forward. To begin the sequence of the motion command, the from statement is used. The statement following the from command defines the initial drive surface, part surface, and as well as the check surface. With the reference to the tool or the following figure, the sequence takes place in the following form. From the PTARG, go to PL1 to PL2 to PL3. Means that the symbol PTARG represents the target point where the operator has to set up the tool. Go command instructs the tool to move to the intersection of the driving surface, which is nothing but the PL1, and the part surface is nothing but PL2, and the PL3 is nothing but the check surface. Because of the motion words 2 has been used for each of the 3 surfaces. The circumference of the cutter in the target to the PL1 and PL3 and the bottom of the cutter is on the PL2. These 3 surfaces includes in the go-to statements and must be specified in order with respect to the either it may be a driving surface, or it may be a parting surface, or it may be a check surface. Now after initialization, the tool directed along its path in one of the 6 motions. That is with respect to the go to PL1 to PL2 to PL3. The cutter has been directed to from the target point to the intersection point of the surface PL1, PL2, PL3. Suppose it is now desired to move the tool along with the plane PL3 and with PL2 remaining as a part surface. The following commands it has to be used. Go right PL3 past PL4. Now the planes around the part outlined can be replaced by a line, and APT commands can be replaced by the following. From the target point go to L1 to PL2 to L3, or go right to L3 past L4. Now in the sketches, the component drawing is drawn in a thicker way. The another line which has been traced outside the component drawing is nothing but the tool path. Even there also the points has been defined in the previous slide, that while doing the program that I will explain it later. Now the tool begins its motion in a sequence from the target point, which is nothing but x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 50, and z is equal to 10 mm. From the target point, go to L1 to plane 2 on L4. Go to right L1 past L2. Go to left L2 tan to C1. Go forward C1 past L3. Go forward L3 past L4. Go left L4 past L1. Go to P0.